Hi guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to look at file handling in C++. Okay, I'm going to look at a read from file, a write to a file, append to a file, etc. Okay, so very first, of course, we are going to include the fstream class. Going to include the fstream class. Let me have a space here. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, going to have the fstream class, going to have the stream class, and of course let's use this using namespace standard std. Then let's have our main function into main. So the first thing, so let's create a variable, a string variable called content. This for storing the to store the file content. Okay, then let's create an fstream object or the object of the fstream class, this one here. Okay, so we're going to say fstream. This is how we create objects anyway, and let's say fstream, let's call it anything like my file, something like that. So we are going to use this. Okay, we use this to do all the operations that require the fstream class. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do here is to, of course, we are going to open a file in input mode. Okay, input mode or read mode. Okay, so what we're going to do, we are going to use our object here. So our object is my file my file is the object dot, then we use the function open. So object dot open. Then what we open? The file name with the path and then here is the operation mode. Okay, something like this. So we are going to open a file. So let's look for a file that we want to open. For example, let's say I want to open this file here. Okay, so this is the path. So let's copy this path. Then we shall add this somewhere here. So let's come here and paste this. Okay, then it is bank dot cpp. Okay, I want this file here. Okay, this file. Then the mode we are going to okay, the mode here we said we are going to open it in input mode or read mode. So the mode will be the input mode. Okay, then let's include the error handle. So let's see if the file exists or has some errors. Okay, so I'm going to use if statement. If okay, my file dot, so we're going to use the fail function. Okay, if my file dot fail, I'm going to print these errors. Error file not found. Let's have something like this, and then exit. Call the exit function. So okay, that one will open the file in read mode. Then once we open this file, let's read the file to the end. So I'm going to say while so this while will not end of the file, so use this function. So while it's not end of the file, get the content of this file, get line a file content. So we're going to read this file, and then so what we're going to do is read and put the content of the file into the string variable content. So we created this one to store the file content. Okay, so we're going to read and store there. Cout sorry. So let's have the content displayed. Okay, so this statement, this function here, just is going to see if it is, we are still not at the end of the file. We continue reading the file. So this is a loop. While we are not at the end of the file, while we are anywhere, not the end of the file, we read the file to the end. Okay, and then we put the content of the file into the variable content. So once this is done, we close the file. Close the file. Okay, so my file dot close. Okay, so at the end, then we end our main function, return 0. So that is it.